Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we have this cool, amazing product here in my hand. As you can see, it's by a brand called Old Fashioned Mandys Confections. So they actually provided me a lot of different products right here. So this is the first one that they provided us right here. That is a dark chocolate cookie dints. Next one we have right here is their Simply Sugar Cookie Dints flavor right here, if you guys can see. Next one we have right here is their Zesty Lemon Cookie Dints flavor, if you guys can see right there. Next one that we have right here is the Crispy Coconut Cookie Dints flavor. Next one that we have right here is the Double Chocolate Butter Cookies. And then the last and final one right here is the Chocolate Chip Butter Cookies, if you guys can see. So these all look amazing. I'm probably going to try a few of these out from each one and see what each one tastes like. So let's do that first. So starting from this point, I have a little bit of audio issue, but bear with me. So basically what I'm going to do first is try out the Simple Sugar, if I can see right here, which is the Cookie Dints. Let's open up to show you what the inside looks like first. So inside, as you can see, this is basically what it looks like. So when we open it, this is what it looks like inside. So it basically looks like little crackers that you can eat, which is pretty awesome. And this is basically what the cookie or cracker looks like. Let's give it a try. So for this one, it definitely tastes pretty good. It has like the sugar taste to it. It definitely has a little bit of the saltiness as well, but it's more of the sugar taste for this one. And if you guys look at how long it is, there's actually a lot of cookies or crackers on this one, which is pretty awesome. So once you guys are done, you guys can put it back into the container like this and close it back up using the actual lid. So the next one that we have right here is the coconut flavor one. You guys can see this is basically what it looks like. Let's give it a try and see what it tastes like. So for this one, you guys definitely get like that coconut taste to it, but you also still get that like salty kind of texture with the cookies, but it's definitely get a more like a sugary taste with the coconut flavor together. So next one that we have right here is the dark chocolate one. You guys can see this is basically what it looks like. There's definitely a lot of them, but basically this is what it looks like, as you can see. Let's give it a try. So for this one, it was actually pretty good. You definitely get that sugary taste on it still because of this cookie, but you guys get a lot of that dark chocolate flavor. So the next one that we have right here is the lemon flavor one. So you guys can see when we open up this one, this is basically what it looks like. There's a lot of lemon crackers. So this is basically what it looks like if it's in C. You guys can definitely smell the lemon flavor. Let's give it a try. So for this one, there's definitely a really strong like lemon flavor onto it. I'm not sure if they use a lot of lemon or just the lemon flavor itself is just really good and well infused into the cracker or cookie itself. This one was actually one of my favorite ones right next to the chocolate flavor one. So next we're going to try these cookies right here. So there's a double chocolate and there's also a chocolate chip one, and both of these are the butter cookies. So the first one that we have right here is the chocolate chip cookies. You guys can see it looks really cute, but let's give it a try and see what it tastes like. So for this one, it's actually really good. It actually tastes like a legit like chocolate chip cookies. It's like so flavorful and it's like just tastes like a freshly made cookie. So for the last one that we have right here is a double chocolate butter cookie. Let's open it up. So if you guys can see, this is basically what it looks like inside. There's actually a lot of the double chocolate chip cookies inside, if you guys can see. But let's give it a try and see what it tastes like. So for this one, it actually tastes really good. It's like a really strong like chocolate flavor because it has double the chocolate. Alright, so now that we tried some of these out, you can see that it looks amazing in terms of the packaging and everything. The inside is really nice. Once you guys try the flavor, you guys definitely get like that really good texture and good flavor for each one of these products. Whether it be the cookies or the cookie dints itself, they all taste really good. It's all like handmade and with fresh ingredients and everything, which is pretty awesome. And if you guys want to try these out, you guys can definitely try them out from their website from Fusion Gourmet, and they also have these on their website. I believe they sell these on like Amazon or Whole Foods or something like that, but you can definitely go check them out. I'll put the links in the description box down below so you can go check it out and see what you guys want to get and try. So pretty much long story short, yes, these are worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have